Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your phone and target screen must be on the same Wi-Fi network and the cast receiver enabled. Once done, open the app you plan to cast from and look for the cast icon. Tap it to list available devices. You do this now to establish a local session rather than relying on cloud syncing. Make sure to select the correct device name. Choosing the wrong one wastes time and may interrupt someone else's stream. Once connected, you control playback from your phone. Use play, pause, seek, and volume buttons directly in the casting app. If you need higher fidelity, check the app's cast quality option to switch between 720p or 1080p. This matters on crowded networks. For apps without native casting, enable screen mirroring and accept slight latency. This is normal because you're streaming raw pixels. Make sure to keep the phone awake while casting. To finish, you should stop casting from the phone's cast menu or close the app. This cleanly releases the receiver. If devices fail to appear, reboot the router, toggle Wi-Fi on the phone, and restart the casting device. This resolves most discovery issues. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure the casting app has local network permission and both the app and receiver firmware are up to date. Outdated software often causes dropouts, poor quality, or no connection at all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.